Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you students? I hope you all are happy and healthy. So, this is our activity class. So, in this class, we will do an activity. For this activity, you need clay. So, my dear students, see, with the help of clay, make some small balls like this. Some small balls. Any color of clay, and we need some toothpicks. Okay, and now see, take one toothpick and do like this. Insert the toothpick into the ball and do like this. Okay, like this, and put it over here and like this and like this. And now take some another ball and like this and like this, like this and like this. Okay, now can you tell me which shape is this? Yes? Yes, this is the square shape. Which shape is this? Square shape. Okay, now we make triangle shape. So, take one bowl, one circle, and take a small ball, one ball and one toothpick and do like this. And take another toothpick and do like this. Okay, now like this and like this. Yes, very good. Like this and like this. Wow, very nice. This is our triangle shape. Which shape is this? Triangle. Okay, my dear students, now we make rectangle shape. So, we need 4 toothpicks, and from the 2 toothpicks we can divide into 2 parts like this. Okay, like this, like this. Now take one toothpick and put this toothpick into the ball from one side, then from another side, and this one like this and like this and like this. Yes, very good. And like this. Yes, now like this. And now like this. Now which shape is this? Can you tell me, my dear students? Yes, this is rectangle. Which shape is this? Rectangle. Square, square, triangle and rectangle. Now we make semicircle shape. So, we have to make a line of the clay like this and take some part of this like this and join this here and like this. Now which shape is this? Now which shape is this? Yes, this is semicircle. And now we make a circle shape. Yes, this is how we make a circle shape. Yes, so this is circle shape. Okay, see my dear student, this is square shape. Repeat with me. Square shape, triangle shape, rectangle shape, semicircle and a circle. So, my dear student, these are some flat shapes. Okay, my dear student. So, do this activity at your home and send me the pictures of your work. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.